Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, today we are going to discuss about the trigonometric ratios of some specified angles 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90. I will show you how to make the trigonometric table of these angles, and later after that I will show you that how to remember these trigonometric ratios in a short way. I will give you the short trick of the trigonometric ratios of these angles. So first of all, what you have to do is just write the numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is your first step. Second step is dividing each number by 4. This is 0 by 4, this is 0, this is 1 by 4, this is 1 by 4, 2 by 4 is 1 by 2, because you do their cancellation, it is 2 ones, 2 twos, 2 by 4 is 1 by 2, 3 by 4 is 3 by 4, and 4 by 4 is 1. Now third step is that take square root of each of these numbers. Root 0 is 0, root 1 is 1, root 4 is 2, root 1 is 1, root 2 is root 2, root 3 is root 3, root 4 is 2, root 1 is 1. Now what you have to do is, now this is your sign, this is your sign, this is sine 0, this is sine 30, 1 by 2, sine 45, 1 by root 2, sine 60, root 3 by 2, sine 90, this is 1. Now to find cos, what you have to do is just write these numbers in reverse order. Put this one here, this is 1, root 3 by 2 here, root 1 by 2 will retain its position, and 1 by 2 here, and this 0 here. So this is your cos. Cos 0 is 1, cos 30 is root 3 by 2, cos 45 is 1 by root 2, cos 60 is 1 by 2, cos 90 is 0. From there you can clearly visualize, you can clearly realize that with the increase of angle 0, 30, 45, the value of sine goes on increasing, and with the increase of angle the value of cos goes on decreasing, 1, root 3 by 2, and finally it reached to 0. Now to find tan, you know the formula that tan equals sine divided by cos, sine divided by cos, tan theta equals sine theta by cos theta. Now to find tan, what we have to do is just divide sine by cos, 0 by 1, this is 0. Here 1 by 2 divided by root 3 by 2. Have a look, 1 by 2 divided by root 3 by 2. This is 1 by 2 into 2 by root 3. This and this goes, it is 1 by root 3. So tan 30, you have tan 30, you have got tan 30. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. Now 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2, this is 1. Now for 60, divide sine 60 by cos 60, this is root 3 by 2 divided by 1 by 2, this is root 3 by 2 into 1 by 2, this is 2 by 1, 2 and 2 goes, this is root 3. And what we are doing here is just multiplying by this number by its multiplicative inverse. Divide means multiplication by multiplicative inverse. For example, if you have 3 by 2, it means 3 into 1 by 2. 3 divide means multiply by what? By multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative inverse of 2 is 1 by 2. So you know it in your previous classes. So to find tan 90, this is 1 by 0, this is non-definite. So you have find the three ratios of sine of 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90, and cos and tan of these angles. You can easily find three reciprocal ratios of these angles, because if sine 30 is 1 by 2, cosec 30 is 2 by 1, reciprocal. If sine 45 is 1 by root 2, and cosec 45 will be 2 by root 3, and similarly for these angles. So in this way you have formed the trigonometric table. Now I will show you how to remember these things in a very short way. Have a look. I recommend you, before I will show you this, please pause the video to note it down. Now, to find the ratios of, to remember the ratios of these angles in a short way, look what we will do is just make a triangle. This is your triangle. Keep here 30, keep here 60, keep here 1, keep here 2, keep here root 3. Now, to find, you can find here 6 ratios of 30, 6 ratios of 60. Have a look. For example, if you need to find sine 60, sine is what? Sine is perpendicular over hypotenuse. This is 60, this is your perpendicular, this is your hypotenuse. Because I already told you that perpendicular is size opposite to the angle. This is your perpendicular, this would be your hypotenuse. It would be root 3 by 2. You can check in the table, the value of sine 60 is root 3 by 2. For example, tan 30. Tan is what? Perpendicular by base. This is your 30. So perpendicular is one side opposite to the angle which we are talking about. Perpendicular is 1, base is adjacent side. This is root 3. Any ratio of 6 ratio of 60 you can find from this triangle. 6 ratios of 30 you can find from this triangle. So this is a very short trick to remember these angles, because in examination you might forget the trigonometric value. You sometimes you do not remember the exact values of these angles. Just remember this triangle. You need not to form the whole trigonometric table at that time. Just practice this triangle 2 or 3 times. You will remember this triangle very well, and from this triangle you can find the trigonometric ratios of these two angles, 6 and 612 ratio. Now, to find the ratio of 45, what you have to do is just to make another triangle. Put 45 here, put 45 here. This is your 1. Put 1 here, put 1 here, put root 2 here. Now, to find any ratio, let us suppose that we need to find sine 45. Sine 45. Sine is what? Sine is perpendicular over hypotenuse. 45 here or here. You can consider any of these. So 45 is here. Sine is opposite side. That is perpendicular is opposite side. That is 1 by root 2. Similarly, you can find cos and whatever. For example, you need to find tan 45. Perpendicular over base. This is your perpendicular. This is base. 1 by 1. Tan 45 is 1. For example, you need to find any ratio. You can find cosec 45. Cosec 45, hypotenuse by perpendicular, root 2 by 1, that is root 2. So you have find 6, 6, 12 and 12, 6, 18 ratios of trigonometric table. Now to find the ratio of 0 and 90, what you have to do is just when theta equals 0, remember this, when theta is equal to 90, b equals 0, p equals 1, h equals 1. Remember this trick. And when theta equals 0, p equals 0, b equals 1, h equals 1. Have a look. For example, you need to find sine 90. Sine 90. Sine is what? Perpendicular. P means perpendicular. Perpendicular over hypotenuse. This is 1 by 1. This is 1. For example, you need to find cos. For example, you need to find cos 90. Base by hypotenuse. 0 by 1. This is 0. And similarly here, you need to find sine 0. Sine 0. This is perpendicular over hypotenuse. 0 by 1. This is 0. For example, cos 0. Base by hypotenuse. 1 by 1. This is 1. So you can find 6 ratios easily from this method, from this you can say trick, and you can easily find the 6 ratios of 0 here. So in these triangles, these two triangles, and this theta is equal to 90, theta is equal to 0, this you have to remember this. You can find whole trigonometric table. So I hope you have understand it, and if you have any query, any question, please mention it in the comment box. I will make the video for the same. Thank you. Have a nice day.